Hey, aloha everybody. Welcome to Beachwalks with Rocks. Today is show number 105 and you can find us at beachwalks.tv. Okay. Hey everybody, I'm having kind of one of those empty mind days. So I think part of that, I'm walking today, my foot is much better. Thank you for all the suggestions that you guys have sent in. I really appreciate that and it's definitely helping. And wanted to update you on the prizes. So we have $750 worth of prizes from Kalapawai Market, which is coffee and t-shirts and fresh guava puree and all kinds of yummy foods. Then we have from Lanikai Bath and Body, locally made, beautifully scented bath and body and beauty products for men and for women. And then we also have from Kailua Sailboards and Kayaks, more t-shirts, more hats, Dakain wallets, stickers, really cool things. And today I got from an anonymous donor several $50 gift certificates to Circuit City. So get over to the voting and vote for your favorite text comment and your favorite video comment. And we'll be distributing 2 super giant first place prize packs. And then there will be prizes for all of the runners up. Where did it go, Lex? Gotta keep track of Lexi, don't we? Gotta keep track of Lexi. So please do go vote, and I'll look forward to having a better show tomorrow. Its sun is going down and we're running out of time here. So thanks for joining me today. And remember, only a couple days left for voting. Tomorrow is, or the day most of you will be looking at this, is 6606. So we'll see if life ends as we know it, or if life goes on. I'm betting on the latter. Aloha. If you want to Skype, it's Roxanne Darling. If you want to call, it's 949-544-1456. Ahui ho. Hey, sweetheart. Hi. You want to come say hi? Yes, hello. Hello. Yeah.